A company in Utah says they have a product that will give parents peace of mind. They shipped the device overnight to us, the Channel 4 investigators, so we could see it and test it for ourselves. It's called the Amber Alert GPS. We spoke to one of their executives by phone.
And we designed a product that gives parents the ability to track kids wherever they go, whatever they're doing, with the simplicity of cell phone texting.
It's so small it fits in the palm of your hand. The idea is parents give it to their kids to wear on their belt loop, around their wrist, or attach it to a book bag. You can monitor your child's whereabouts, and they can contact you if they need help.
It works wherever there's cell and GPS technology available. It works.
We put it to the test. The Amber Alert GPS was synced to my cell phone. My photographer and I drove around with it in the backseat of our news car all day. Later, we went online to see what it said. It tracked us from this state map to a city map and ultimately to a street map. We could see exactly where the device was all day long. In fact, this is an overhead Google Earth look at the Channel 4 studios. That blue dot represents the GPS child tracker. It's in the back seat of our car, parked in our parking lot. At one point during the day, we drove down JTB. The device transmitted a signal the entire time. Later, when we looked it up online, it told us how fast the car was moving and in what direction. But that's just one way the device works. If your child is wearing it, he or she also has the ability to call for help. By pushing this button in the center, the GPS sends a help me message to the cell phone it's synced to. In this case, it's my phone, and my photographer and I again wanted to see how easy it would be to find it. He took the device and left in a news car. Once he got a few miles away, he pushed the help me button and waited for me